Today, we're unboxing the Osmo Pocket 4P, a compact dual-lens pocket gimbal camera built for creators, vloggers, travel videos, and everyday content creation. Let's open it up. Osmo Pocket 4P is available in black and white, and as always, we went with the versatile black. Inside the box, we have the carrying pouch, main camera, a fill light, a lanyard, a 1/4-inch threaded handle, and a USB 3.1 fast charging cable. Here it is, the Osmo Pocket 4P. It keeps the classic compact pocket design, but feels more upgraded in operation, lens design, and shooting flexibility. For daily lightweight shooting, this set is already very practical. Now let's power it on and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The whole process is quite straightforward. The touchscreen is responsive, and the operation feels smooth. With the upgraded joystick, the controls feel even more fluid and precise. Now let's try one of the included accessories, the fill light. The fill light attaches magnetically, so it's very easy to install and remove. It can also be adjusted in different levels, which is useful when you're filming in low-light environments, shooting close-up product videos, or recording yourself indoors. Next, let's attach the 1/4-inch threaded handle. It feels better to hold and makes tripod or stand setup easier. Besides what we're showing today, Pocket 4P also comes with more powerful features, including a 1-inch wide-angle camera, up to 12 times zoom, a 60mm mid-tele lens, 3-axis stabilization, Active Track 8.0, D-Log 2, and high frame rate slow motion. Now let's look at the lens experience. One of the biggest upgrades of the Pocket 4P is the dual lens design. You can switch between 1.0x and 3.0x more freely, depending on what you want to shoot. Now let's compare it briefly with the Osmo Pocket 3. Pocket 3 is still a very popular and reliable camera, compact, easy to use, and great for daily vlogs or simple content creation. But compared with Pocket 3, Pocket 4P feels smoother in operation and more flexible in shooting. It comes with a dual lens setup, so you can switch between wider shots and closer details more easily. The magnetic fill light is also a nice upgrade for indoor or low light shooting. So, is Pocket 4P worth upgrading? If you mainly shoot basic daily clips, Pocket 3 is still a solid choice. But if you want smoother control, more lens flexibility, and a more complete creator setup, Pocket 4P is definitely worth considering. Now let's also compare it with the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Both are compact creator cameras, but they feel different in use. Pocket 4P is easier for quick daily shooting, while Luna Ultra feels more like a flagship creator setup, especially with its detachable touchscreen remote. If you often film yourself or need to place the camera away from you, Luna Ultra gives you more flexibility for monitoring and control. So how should you choose between Pocket 4P, Pocket 3, and Insta360 Luna Ultra? Pocket 3 is still a solid choice for daily vlogs, travel clips, and simple content creation. But if you want smoother control, dual lens flexibility, magnetic fill light support, and a more upgraded pocket experience, Pocket 4P is definitely worth considering. Insta360 Luna Ultra, on the other hand, feels more like a flagship creator setup, especially with its detachable touchscreen remote and flexible shooting experience. Each one has its own strengths, so it really depends on your budget, shooting style, and how much flexibility you need. So that's our quick unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 4P. At TVCMALL, we'll keep using these creative tools to produce better product videos and content for our customers. We also offer product video production services to help customers showcase their products more effectively. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more.